ko yagendeire kwegendereria asinjira endonge sibuigo banyarire bagosoa asinjira yekerero aso kwegendereria ensemeika okwana omutendo munene bwe esakeyo isaka omwenga yaderuna egetambukiro banyarire bakoira nogokini esakeyo asababwatani ao anene bali barase sakeyo banyarire bakogokera obokoreri bwe sakeyo eibare ase egekabono ukwana nene karwanyarite baguchengera omwaka yomo bobokoreri gose end year annual general meeting ne wana bathena mbachiko genda gukora imirimo na kwenda kubona esakeyo ya Wakenya Pamoja kogenderere na babwatani be sakeyo konyora bale ebitogi biri bakogacha ase esakeyo.
Tremendously from the time it started. It has grown, and we expect in the future we need to expand to other regions apart from Kisii, and even expand our on our outreach and even the finances we give to the members. We started with the farmers, as the chairman had said. We started with the farmers, and the farmers are those with the lowest income in the society. These are the people we are serving. And we have reached at least everybody, even somebody who is weighing a kilo of coffee can be able to get some kind of financial assistance within the sacco. So that is what we have done. We have reached to so many members, and we have also moved with the capital where we have reached. We have moved to the middle income people, especially the small and medium-sized entrepreneurs. We are nowadays financing them. They have accommodated our products. So that's